Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Python function through a small project. So project name is content book app. So if you have some knowledge of this Python function, you can come to this video and learn from it. Projects are always effective, far more effective way than manual, and will have master your skills in Python or coding. So first of all, we will have context is equal to dictionary and parenthesis. So it is dictionary that stores key and value. So our key would be name and value would be our number. So first of all is function 1, add contact. We will add contact. What is the contact name and number? So def add contact is a function name, then name and number are parenthesis, then context will input context square bracket, name is equal to number. So what is basically this context square bracket name is equal to number? So if I will say that I will input my name as a Sam, then it will store this number, store this phone number under this name. So Sam would be taken under the phone number of 990 or anything. Okay, so then we will have point, then we will make a command in Python to show us that the name has added successfully in the dictionary. So this is some basic stuff, you all know this. So if you don't know, you have to learn from the beginning. Okay, so now function 2 would be our search contact. Function 2, search contact. So what it does, if I put a name to search, then it will show me that if the name is in the context or not. If it is not, then it will not show any value or any number, and if it is in the context dictionary, then it will give me the number, phone number of that name. So this is some simple stuff you also know. So def search contact, that is function search contact, then name parameter, then if name in context, print point, then we will show the command point parenthesis name dot context, where context name, so that would be our number and name. Okay, so context name would be our number and name would be our normal name. Okay, that has been input. So now else point string, then we will have contact not found, contact not found. So now function 3 would be delete contact. So if you want to delete my name Sam, so how can you do it? Any idea? Yes, you will use del function. So first of all, we use def delete contact then name would be our parameter. If name in context, so if there is a name that has been inputted by the user, then it will tell means delete is function that is used to delete stuffs. Okay, tell context square bracket name. Okay, so both name and number would be deleted. So print will commanded it that name has been deleted successfully. Okay, deleted successfully. So now display all context. This is function 4 in which we'll have all the context based on which we have saved on dictionary, like name and number. So if I add two name and number like Sam 00578, any number, then another name and number, it will be saved and displayed on this function. So def show all. I think you know the def keyword. It is used to define a function. So def show all parenthesis, if not context, print no context saved yet. So if there is no context added, this will print no context saved yet. Then it will return. If the context is saved, then we will have print, and this is for heading. We are writing this contact in place for this for heading. Okay. So now we will have for name number in context item. So what is this for name number in context dot item? So it stores key and value like phone and number. It goes through every entry in the dictionary one by one. Okay, it goes to every one dictionary that has been added by our first function. Okay, so you understand that. Then now we will print function square brackets. So what is this name and number? So this is print each content neatly. Empty line for this we are doing for empty line for spacing. Now we move to function 5. So I think you understand the function 4. What was it? We have just created a display all context function in which we have, if the context has been saved, then we will print this content list in which we will have each item, each name and number. Okay, so now function 5 is menu. It is basically like a restaurant menu which you get before eating something. So it shows us what this project has. For customer point of view, it is beneficial. So if I want to invest in some projects, I will know first of its characteristics, like it has add contact, search contact, delete contact, so all contacts exit. So this program will run in a loop. It will get every time when you use terminal. You will know this menu program much good when your code is in terminal. Okay, when your code is running, basically your code is running. So deft menu, then I don't have to say about this. The menu is just a function. Now this print would be, you have to write this. This is pretty good project to learn the function. If you revise it when you get over the video, I think function topic would be your complete, and you don't need to learn function now. You just need to have some projects, all of that. So it basically add contact, search contact, what I have said, delete contact, so all contact and exit. So it is pretty simple project, but I think simple are the things to learn. So now we move to main program loop. It is very important in this project. So first of all is while true, that creates an infinite loops which keep repeating until we break it. So we can break it by using break function. So we want the menu to show again and again until the user exits. Okay, so menu, that is why we are printing menu, then parenthesis, then choice is equal to input enter choice 1 to 5. So it asks the user about that choice from 1 to 5. For if the user chooses 1, then we'll say add contact. If user chooses 2, then we'll say search contact. 3 delete contact, 4 so all contacts, and 5 I don't think, but we will paste the file, print the file. Okay, so if choice is 1, then we have add contact function, so it is function 1. Okay, so name is equal to, so name is just a variable here. You know the variable strings, data types, integers is some basic stuff you need to learn. Okay, if you don't have learned, then some YouTube channel, Python based YouTube channel are based here, like I learned from the Sagar coding. So name is just variable is equal to input. It will ask the user about its name. So it is slight mistake here. So now we move to number is equal to input enter number. It will ask the user about its number. So then this name and number would go to a dictionary, which will be shown in search contact and display all contacts. So add contact, that is our function name, and then parameters name and number. Okay, then elf. So now we move to choice number 2, that is elf choice is equal to 2. Then we'll have search contact, which we have written earlier, function. Okay, function number 2. So name is equal to input, enter name to search. So it will ask the user the name to search, so which means that the name has been stored in the dictionary. Then I want to search that name and want to get the number. So if a real world analogy, if I get to real world analogy, I will say if I am living in my city and I want to know the citizens of my city, I will just click their name and get their number. Okay, so that is why we use search contact function. So elf choice is 3. If user chooses 3 number, we will use the function delete function. Okay, we'll use delete function, that is function 3rd of our program. Okay, so name is our variable. We will use input, enter name to delete. So if I add name in my first function Sam, then when I put enter the name to delete here Sam, then it will be deleted with the number. Okay, so delete dot contact. Okay, that is function name. So elf choice is equal to 4. Then I will use the show all function. You all know what is show all function. Okay, it will show me all the names of citizens living in my town. Okay, just an example. So elf choice is 5. Then I have to think about this, what to print, but I will say excellent and buy because it seems pretty right. So elf choice is equal to 5, then we will just say print excellent and then buy. In here we will use break function. That is very important to run this program. We use while true, so it will repeatedly give me that menu function. So that is why to close it, to exit from it, we use break. Okay, else print invalid choice. Try again. If it is 6, 7 or anything, I will just say print invalid choice and try again, because we want from 1 and 5. So let us run the code. So in terminal we will put our name, number of that thing. Okay, so same, then number, this number. Okay, any number I will put. I will not show you my own number. Okay, now I put in choice Michael, which is just in else condition. To function is our search contact. Okay, so which is basically search contact if the Sam is in our dictionary. Okay, then 1 add contact. We are just basically deleting now delete contact from function 3. Okay, then we will use display all contacts, all of that. Okay, so I hope you understand the function in Python, and I hope you understand the project. So I will try to get better at my content. So thank you for being in this video. Like if you want a function related stuff, then I am putting a shorts. Okay, thank you.